Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Duolingo stuck on the loading screen. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply check your internet connection. Duolingo depends completely on a stable internet connection. Even if other applications work, unstable connection can freeze the loading screen in Duolingo. So you can try switching between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. If you are on Wi-Fi, you can turn it off temporarily. The weak or the restricted networks often cause the loading failures. So make sure that you first make your internet connection stable. Afterwards, you just have to basically fully close the Duolingo application and then just reopen it. So this quick step is going to refresh the application's session and most probably clear the loading freezes. But in your case, if the issue still persists, you can just simply restart your phone. For that, you just have to long press the power button. When you see this type of screen in front of you, simply swipe to the up and select the option of restart. So after restarting your phone, your memory is going to basically temporarily clear, and it is also going to basically clear all the conflicts that may block the applications from launching. So once the device is on, simply launch your Duolingo application again. Now, if you have been trying to get into the Duolingo application for the last few hours, you just have to basically open the settings of your device. Over here, go to apps. In the apps, go to app management. Over here, use the search bar, and in the search bar, simply search for Duolingo. When you are inside the app info of Duolingo, tap on the option of storage usage. Over here, tap on the option of clear cache. If you haven't logged into your account, you can also tap on the option of clear data. After doing this, simply relaunch your Duolingo application and see if it is working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.